Hello, welcome to Twist Fashion. Today I'm going to be making a Big Bow Fascinator. It can also be used for Christmas as a door bow. So I'm going to start by cutting 11 inches of Sinamay on the bias, and which is 28 centimetres. So on the bias makes it a lot more stretchy, and you can curve the Sinamay a lot better. Once you've cut your piece, you can either curl the edges, like roll the edges, or fold them over and iron them. For ease, I'm going to iron them today. By ironing them or steaming them, it keeps them very nicely in place. They should also stay in place with rolled end, but a rolled edge, but it can take a bit longer, especially when you're using such a large piece of fabric. So obviously for Christmas, if you were doing it as a door bow, you could probably do it in red, or you can add a colour, red and green, whatever you fancy. If you do like this video or find it useful, please do leave me a thumbs up and do subscribe for more interesting DIYs. So now I'm going to fold the edges just under a centimetre. So do that all the way along both edges and then iron them. And then I'll be back. Once you've folded the edges and folded them again and ironed them, snip off these points. There we go. Then I'm going to find the centre. I just fold it in the centre. Shape the bow depending on how much of the ends you want to stick out and how big you want the bow. So just go from the centre, so you want it equal bits hanging out. So kind of like that. So just a little bit of the point. Then I grab the middle, fold that one under. Fold that one under, and this is your front side. Now if you don't like these points, you can do them without, or you can make them a bit less. I'm going to make them a little bit less, just pull the bow a bit wider. No, that's better. And then sew that into place. So I've done a few stitches through the bow. Now I'm going to attach the hairband if you want to have it as a fascinator. If you're using it as a door bow, then obviously still secure it with some stitches through the bow, and then you could either attach a bit of ribbon, keeping the some long ends to tie onto your door knocker. If you don't have a door knocker on your door, you can put some ribbon around the door, like wide ribbon. I have got another video how to hang a door bow, so please take a look at that. But like I say, this one is for a fascinator, so I'm putting it on the hairband. So do quite a few stitches to keep it in place, and then I'll show you the finished product.